Okay, this is VK3 Charlie Mike. We've had a bit of a break for a couple of days because we've been doing a few things with Andy, VK2 VOO, that's been over, which have been great. But it's back to having a bit of a play with restoring and having a good look at making some equipment look a little bit nicer. So we always start with the start video. This one's got an interesting one. There's a board inside here where the speaker's been taken out, and there's an extra board which we're going to learn what that is. We're going to be blowing, well, initially we're going to clean this all out, clean this all up, and we're going to get it looking like it's, you know, a little bit better. We do have the matching power supply, but through the matching power supply on the PS15 there's two big bolts, and they hold a huge big transformer in there. So fortunately I have a stock of PS15 supplies, so we'll put a new PS15 supply with this once this is all cleaned up. Now, surprisingly, I've had this on air on an antenna, and it's working. Couple of relay issues which will be very easy to sort out. I know these things inside out, but yeah, on the surface looking pretty good. This is just the at100, by the way, not the I've got an at500 in stock as well, but this was the 100-watt version. And of course, this underneath all the dust you may recognize as an sm20. Anyway, of course the adapter that's on it for, say, an icom 706 is broken, like 98% of them I've ever seen, but we will get stuck into these products with our usual products that we use, the Norwex and EucoClean, etc. But I just thought I'd show you where it's starting, and over the next 24 hours I'm pretty sure we can show you a working demo of the icom setup. And as I said, a little bit of work to do, but nothing's impossible when you put your mind to it. This one may be a bit of a challenge though, so we'll see as we go along. Okay, 73s, and we're losing Andy tomorrow. He's back to Musselbrook, and Riley's just come home, so I've got my apprentice back, and we'll be starting to get involved in this. Plus we're going to get the 40-meter beam up. That's arrived today too, so we'll get started on that as well. So a few things that we might be putting on video over the next few days, depending on how the back and the foot is, but hopefully we can get a little bit done. Okay, 7 3s from VK3 Charlie Mike. Good night to you all.